Hi, welcome to the second video of this series as to why LinkedIn ads fail. So in the first video of this series, we discussed about the first reason as to why LinkedIn ads fail, and that was because of targeting. In order, if you want to watch that video, you can look in the comment section of this post. So in this video, we'll be discussing about the second reason as to why LinkedIn ads fail, and that is because of the messaging part. Now you need to understand that when people are on LinkedIn, they don't have that much amount of time. They are not there to be entertained as compared to other social media platforms, for example, Facebook, or for example, let's say Twitter. When people are on Facebook, for example, they're looking out for the photos or posts of their friends and families. When people are on LinkedIn, they're in a completely different mindset. They're either looking for their jobs, for their careers, or some news related to about their industries. So people don't have that much of time when they are on LinkedIn. So you have to directly appeal to their pain points. You have to directly appeal to their motivations. You cannot simply talk about your products or services. You have to directly understand what their pain points are, what their motivations are. So the first part of that 135 copy of the intro, that has to be devoted to their pain points or motivation, and the second part has to be devoted to your call to actions. So understand what are the pain points and what are their motivations, and directly appeal to that within your ad copy, for your ad copy to succeed and for your LinkedIn ads to have a greater click-through rates and for your LinkedIn ads to succeed. So the second reason as to why LinkedIn ads fail is because of the poor messaging part. Most ad copies don't focus on the pain points or the motivations or the prospect, and as a result, they don't get that kind of click-through rates and a lower conversion rates or a higher cost per conversion. So focus on the pain points of your prospects of your customers. Focus on their motivations and include that in your ad copy. Thanks so much.